Okay, first off, this knob doesn't go with the radio, and if you look back here, there's no nut on this shaft, so it makes it quite loose, but it's not bent. So here is the correct knob, but this guy's cracked. So maybe some epoxy or something, but that'll go with the radio. This one won't.
Traditional Thanksgiving centerpieces and beautiful floral designs. The Flower is here to help you make someone smile. The Flower Express has been served.
Stations seem to be pretty weak, other than
I know. He just kept looking like.
Yeah, there's a few of them.
Got the next brand. Yeah, excuse me.
And Northwest Flanders Street and downtown practice or play games.
You know, San Jose State in football, they had to go train at Humboldt State, right? And they've had a great season. So there is some precedence for this going train somewhere else.
New Mexico, the Lobos, and not the New Mexico State Aggies.